So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting in your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So guys, Wi-Fi is not connecting on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So this video show the easy fixes for your connection. First thing is guys, you simply toggle your airplane mode on and off. So you simply swipe down. Okay, turn on your airplane mode once and turn it off. Okay, so it help you to refresh your network issues. Second thing is guys, you restart your router. So sometimes the simple restart the router also resolve these minor glitches. After that you forget your current Wi-Fi network. So guys, if you are already connected the network and it creating issue now, so just open, you select your network, then long press on it and you just forget it. After that you reconnect it and check the problem is working, oh sorry, Wi-Fi is working or not. Second thing is guys, you try to reset your network. For resetting the network, simply swipe down, then settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of general management. In general management, you simply tap on the option of reset and click on the option of reset Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. By this you simply reset your network. So this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.